Starter motor. The middle section I spray painted it satin black, and this end cap I spray painted it silver. This was blue, and silver, yeah, was more fitting for the engine, I think, for the back of the engine, because I don't mind the blue pulleys at the front because I like them, but I didn't like this part being blue. As well for the flywheel, it was also blue, but I spray painted it gunmetal. You know, you can see some scratches that the blue is still coming through, but this is gunmetal. This is satin black, and yeah, all the other black parts are satin black. So these are just the little changes I made. You know, heating up the exhaust pipes, you know, spray painting a couple of parts, like the starter motor and the exhaust manifold and the back plate of this box and the other box. That will, you know, change your engine. Just little things like that. Just gonna show you a part I'm thinking about, because, you know, I'm just thinking, what can I do extra? You know, what can I make, what can I place on the engine to look, yeah, to look like it's a real engine. Well, I took this fan blade out of a old paper shredder, because I saw some other Tessing engines, probably a different version or a newer one, they have this nice little cooling fans. And I thought, hey, this looks like a cooling fan, like that. So, you know, I'm just thinking about making something, and this is actually a motor from a DVD player, but I think I can just place this on top of the belt, just like something like this, so that it will, you know, move with the belt, and then place this on there. And then of course this part spray painted satin black as well. But you know, that's what I'm thinking about. If I look at an engine, what can I do? What can I attach? And you know, it's very easy with some PVC tubing, and you know, as well with different colors of silicone tubing. You know, you can do really a lot for your engine, as well with all these, you know, meshing nipples for used for RC boats and things like that, for the fuel and the cooling and things like that. You will find them. And of course, if I have any links to any parts, I will put them in the comment section. Well, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope as well that you will, yeah, make your own version of your favorite engine, and it could be any engine, of course. Yeah, just keep an open mind, think outside of the box, and then think inside the box and outside the box. And of course, I'm going to start it up one more time. So, start from the beginning. Main power, ignition, sound, smoke, start, and stationary. Here we go. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.